pupunta naman tayo dito sa FYI. There. OMG, look at this, guys. It looks like a pizza, but it's a gummy bear. I mean, gummy candies. Yung mga candies nila. Oh my god, look at this. It's so huge. I've never seen a Twizzle like this before. What the heck? Is this like a Care Bear soda? It says $3.99. Care Bear cereal, guys. Okay. Oh, meron silang mochi. Look at this. A mochi. Honey melon mochi. Oh, MG. CD? Meron pa kaya ng... Meron pa ba bumipin ng CD? Oh my god, look at that. That's Batman. Oh my god, this is $24. Yan sa mga Batman fan. Oh, so let's start from here muna. Meron pa ba bumibili niyan? Look. Di ba lahat puro ano na Amazon movie or ano anong tawag dito? Netflix or something. Look at that. It looks like a noodles. Ito yung ano nila, boxer brief. 50% off. Ay, yung socks nila. Yan yung mga damit nila. Yan. Ganda ng mga damit. Child's Play. $29. Pero ang mahal, guys. It's $29. Oh my god, look at that. OMG. Si He-Man. Ang dami nilang mga gandang damit dito. Yeah. Tingnan naman, blue face. OMG, look at that. Okay. Nakita ko to sa Target. Ito yung pin, kasi sobrang laki. Sana meron silang Superman na pin. Ang laki. Pero maganda siya, kaso how much is this? This is like $19. Ang laki ng pin. And ito puro He-Man siya. Ito, oh, this one Dragon Ball. Oh my god, look at this. This is huge. Who is OMG, Superman. The Bordox. Ang laki niya man, guys. Si Goku ba to? He is Goku, right? Kung wala akong pera kung may pera lang akong bibiling ko to, guys. Look at that, $65 for that one. OMG. I think yung laman nito is socks. Yeah, mga socks right there. It kind of looked like a Chinese box to go. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is mochi. Akala ko yung mochi nasa rep lang. Hindi nila sa rep. Look at that. Goku. Ano ba to? Mga action figure. Goku. Oh my god, look at this. It's a bank. Alam mo, may pera na ako, binili ko na to lahat. Pero this one, I wanna buy this one. Look at this. $65 for that one. Maybe I don't know. OMG, look at this chocolate bar. It's so huge, guys. Damn. Siguro pag naubos mo to, after that, you're gonna have diabetes. What is this? Hot and spicy chili mix. Oh no. No way. Who is this guy? Oh my god, look at that. A chopstick. A shark chopstick, guys. $6 for it. And then this one, dinosaur too. Tapos meron din sila nito. Unicorn. Oh my god, look at this. Godzilla. Godzilla. Right there. What the heck is this? A duck. Friends. Okay. Let's Let's go to this side. Ito, nakita nyo na to, diba? Oh my god, look at that. That's so huge, guys. Rice Krispies, napakalaki. And then, what else? What is that? I don't know what that is. Ang laki. Nah, mga stuffed toy. Look at that. Parang mga anime, guys. Ayan. Dragon Ball, My Hero Academia. I don't know much about that, but I know Dragon Ball. Ayan. Fat Gun Punch. Meron din silang chocolate bar. Naruto, this one, Naruto tumbler or something. Let me see. Oh my god, look at that, guys. What is this? Ito, parang sa kitchen timer. Ayan silang backpack right there. Okay. You know, mga trainers. Oh my god. Look at this stuff toy. Look at that. Check. Then meron silang what is this? Pikachu model kit. This one is nice. $16. Bilhin ko kaya to. Hindi, tsaka na lang. Hindi mo na ako bibili. And then what else are in here? Mga ilaw. OMG, look at that. This is Chucky. Ayokong bilhin yan kasi baka mamaya bigla itong mabuhay. OMG, how much is this? Say Chucky. Oh, this one is like $100, guys. Look at that. Si Jason. Sucks. And then we also have Freddy Krueger in here. Right there. Freddy Krueger. May mga speakers din sila rito. Oh my god, this store is so awesome, guys. Ito yung Batman. Yeah, there's no, I cannot see. Meron na naman silang old-fashioned games. Ang daming mga toys. Look at all these toys. OMG. I feel like I'm a kid again, guys. Ganda nito, $16. Alien. Look at this alien. Ito maganda. Wow. Yan yung mga pop art. Pero hindi ako nangongolekta nito. Ang dami nila, oh. Iba-ibang character. They have Seinfeld, Elaine. Wow. And then who is this? Katy Perry. And then they have Ash in there. Diana Prince. Sino yun? Ayun. Val Little. Yan yung mga ano nila. And then they also sell this auto accessories here. Look at that. Siguro pabango to sa kotse. Ayan ang cat. Ayan. Naruto. Look at that. Meron silang plate number. Ayan. Oh, meron din silang records dito, guys. Records. Ayan. Star Wars. $39 for that one. This one. So $39. OMG, what is this? Kit Kat? What is this? $99. King size. A vinyl collectible. Wow. Okay. Ang gusto ko yung nandoon yung kanina yung Dragon Ball guys. Violent. I don't know when. Nice. Ayun. Ninja Turtles. Leonardo figure. Ooh. Yeah, look at this. Haunted Mansion. Ito yung mga old-fashioned action figure. Nice. Ang ganda nito, Scooby-Doo jogging pants. Ayan. 50% off. Gryffindor, guys. Harry Potter. What is that? Dundle Award? Kevin's famous series. OMG. Look at that. And then, oh my god, look at that. Operation. Yeah, man. Okay. Oh. Star Wars pala rito. Mga Star Wars. And then they also have this TY that's in there. OMG, look at this guy. Look at that. Mga ano. Is this like a finger puppets? Oh, it's a magnet. A magnet right there. Oh my god, 3D keychain. What is that? Look at that. Annabelle. Oh my god. Look at Annabelle. She looks so creepy, guys. Look. And then you can change her head. And pwede mong palitan. Oh, meron pang isa rin. Yeah. Parang nakakatakot naman bumili ng mga yan. Oh, meron silang good guys. Cereal. $7.99. Nice. Oh, it's on sale. $7.99. Sana pag nag-sale to, bibilin ko. Yung si Chucky, guys. I'm not gonna buy that. It's kinda like creepy at night. Baka mamaya biglang mabuhay. Oh my god, look at this. Ano siya, yung balloon ni Pennywise. Ano siya, lump. Lump siya. $39, guys. Oh, that is so creepy. What is this? Ay, Omen. Yung bata. Then may mga pagkain din sila rito, guys. No, it's not a food. I thought it's a food. And there is game. Ito mga pambata. Ito yung sa game, guys. Nasa game. So, 50% off. Lilo and Stitch. Yan yung mga ano nila, cereal. Oh my god, I really love this store, guys. Parang yung isang store kanina. So this one is, ano nga pala to? FYI. Yan yung mini arcade nila, oh. So this one, I don't know how much this is. It's like $24 in there. Look at that. $24.
Oh, look at this socks.
Yeah, no. There we go. Yep. I really love this store, guys. Alright, guys. I think that's it. That's it for me for now.